Good day. As the Delhi International Conference is about to commence tomorrow and also on the 16th of May, just a little bit of insight into what ITLOS really is. ITLOS is a global judicial body which was established under the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, or UNCLOS. It plays a crucial role in resolving disputes between countries related to maritime boundaries, ocean resources, and sea-related law. Founded in 1982, ITLOS is based in Hamburg, Germany, and is composed of 21 judges elected from UNCLOS member states. The tribunal has handled significant cases around the world, including the maritime boundary dispute between Timor-Leste and Australia. His Excellency, the Honorary Judge Haidar, visits to Timor-Leste, highlights the country's ongoing commitment to international law and peaceful resolution of maritime issues. And so today we had the distinct honor of speaking with his honorary, with a leading figure in international maritime law, the president of the International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea, or ITLOS. As the head of this esteemed judicial body, he plays a crucial role in upholding the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, ensuring peaceful resolution of disputes between nations, and safeguarding the rule of law over the world's oceans. As this is your first time being here in Timor-Leste, what are your impressions of Timor-Leste?
Well, yeah, this is my first visit to Timor-Leste personally, and this is also the first time that a president of ITLOS visited Timor-Leste, so it's quite historic. I've been very impressed. I came here a few days ago, and I spent a few days in Balibo, and I was very impressed by that place. The nature, it's just wonderful. The sunrise and the sunset from there, and I did some hiking in the area. I met with a lot of people in the villages, including the school children. And I was very fascinated by, how joyful they are, happy, and I even used the opportunity to play football with them. When I found a football field, and there was a lot of school children greeting me when I came there. So it was very impressive in the countryside, and now I'm in the capital. It's all very impressive. I see a lot of investment. There's new hotels. I'm staying in a very new hotel, so there's a lot of building up, and it's absolutely beautiful here. And I've learned also a lot about your history, your very difficult fight for independence. So I have gotten really to know your country and its history, and in these days that I've spent here. It's a very successful visit in every way.
And as the president of ITLOS, how can the tribunal contribute to resolving the maritime and land boundary disputes based on the international law under UNCLOS or UNCLOS?
So under the Law of the Sea Convention, there are two sets of dispute settlement mechanisms. The first is voluntary dispute settlement based on negotiation. And the second one is compulsory dispute settlement mechanism. So if you do not succeed in negotiations, you can bring a case to ITLOS without consent of the other state in principle. And so we can be of assistance in settling disputes, for example, relating to maritime delimitation between neighboring states, if they are not successful in settling those issues through negotiation. And we have already dealt with several such disputes, for example, the Bangladesh-Myanmar case, Ghana-Cote d'Ivoire in Africa, and then finally, most recently, Mauritius-Maldives. So these are all maritime delimitation issues that we have settled, and we may be of assistance in this region if the states involved do not successfully conclude them in negotiations.
As Timor-Leste continues to engage with the international community on matters of the maritime laws, stay tuned for the Dili International Conference taking place right here in Dili on the 15th and 16th of May. The global leaders and legal experts will gather to discuss the future of ocean governance and cooperation. I'm Digna Sarang, reporting for Tatoli.